Jyroball. The future of personal mobility. Introducing the Jyroball, an innovative electric rideable crafted by Mobi Misiar Mobility. This sleek, self-balancing sphere is designed for an exciting ride. The Jyroball can reach speeds of up to 12.4 miles per hour, 20 km per hour, and boasts an impressive range of 14 miles, 22.5 kilometers, on a single charge. Its retractable foot platforms allow riders to control the Jyroball effortlessly. Simply shift your body weight to navigate and enjoy the ride. Compact and lightweight, the Jyroball is easy to transport and store. It fits into conventional car parking spaces, making it perfect for commuters. Whether you're commuting to work or just looking for a fun way to get around, the Jyroball offers a unique blend of convenience and excitement. It transforms the way we think about personal mobility. Experience the future of transport with the Jyroball. Mercedes-Benz Future Bus Concept, the next generation of public transport. Introducing the Mercedes-Benz Future Bus Concept, a revolutionary bus design unveiled and tested on Europe's longest bus rapid transit (BRT) line in the Netherlands. This concept bus has autonomously traveled a route of approximately 20 kilometers in Amsterdam, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. The future bus is equipped to handle various driving conditions. It can pass through tunnels, brake for obstacles or pedestrians, and communicate with traffic signals. While a driver is on board to monitor the system, their tasks are significantly simplified. The design of the future bus is the result of collaboration from Daimler's bus team, focusing on both the exterior and interior. The 12-meter-long bus, based on the popular Citaro production vehicle, features a sleek and modern asymmetrical design. The Mercedes-Benz Future Bus Concept is paving the way for smarter, safer public transportation. It represents a major leap toward the future of urban mobility. Experience the evolution of public transport with the Mercedes-Benz Future Bus Concept. TMC Dumont, a revolutionary concept motorcycle. The TMC Dumont is an eye-catching concept motorcycle crafted by Tarso Marques, a former Formula One driver from Brazil. This bike is truly one of a kind, featuring hubless wheels and an exposed engine that give it a striking, aircraft-inspired appearance. What really sets the Dumont apart is its impressive 300-horsepower Rolls-Royce aircraft engine. This isn't just a motorcycle that looks cool, it's designed for top-notch performance. The sleek, low-slung body of the Dumont ensures it will turn heads wherever it rides. But the TMC Dumont isn't just another motorcycle, it's a bold fusion of innovative design and cutting-edge engineering. It represents the exciting future of two-wheel transportation, blending aesthetics with high performance. Whether you're a dedicated motorcycle enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates groundbreaking design, the Dumont stands as a testament to creativity and ambition in the world of motorcycles. Einride. Revolutionizing freight transport. Meet Einride, a company that is revolutionizing freight transport with its autonomous electric trucks. With a strong focus on sustainability, Einride's vehicles eliminate the need for human drivers and significantly reduce carbon emissions in the logistics industry. These trucks are powered by electric motors and equipped with advanced autonomous technology. This allows them to navigate roads safely and efficiently without human intervention. In addition to autonomous driving, Einride leverages AI and data analytics to optimize routes. This technology helps improve fuel efficiency and lower operational costs. The result? Faster, more cost-effective deliveries with a much smaller environmental footprint compared to traditional diesel-powered trucks. With a vision for the future of green transportation, Einride is reshaping the logistics sector. They are making freight transport safer, more sustainable, and economically viable for the long term. Experience the future of freight with Einride. Festo BionicSwift, a marvel of robotic engineering. Meet the Festo BionicSwift, an extraordinary robotic bird that mimics the flight mechanics of real birds. Developed by Festo's Bionic Learning Network, this innovative device showcases the wonders of biomimicry in engineering. The BionicSwift features ultra-lightweight wings made from flexible foam segments. During the upstroke, the wings fan out to allow air to flow through. Then, they close during the downstroke to generate powerful flight. Weighing just 42 grams and with a wingspan of 68 centimeters, This robotic bird can perform agile maneuvers like loops and steep turns. Equipped with radio-based indoor GPS, the BionicSwift can fly autonomously. It moves in a coordinated pattern within a defined airspace, demonstrating impressive precision and control. The BionicSwift is not just a technological feat, it offers a glimpse into the future of autonomous flying robots. Experience cutting-edge technology inspired by nature's design with the Festo BionicSwift. Robotic Dolphin. The Robotic Dolphin is a budget-friendly, full-suspension folding electric bike designed for those who prioritize long-range travel. It comes equipped with a 750-watt motor, capable of peaking at 1000 watts, and is powered by a 48-volt 30A battery. This powerful combination allows the Dolphin to cover up to 100 miles on a single charge, making it an excellent option for commuters and long-distance riders alike. The bike features robust fat tires and a full suspension system, ensuring a smooth, comfortable ride even on rough or uneven terrain. One of the standout features is its folding design, which makes it convenient for storage and transport. This is particularly beneficial for people living in small apartments or crowded urban areas. While some users have noted that the ride quality may not be as refined as more expensive models, the Robotic Dolphin still offers remarkable value for its price. With its long range and comfortable features, it's a solid choice for those seeking an affordable electric bike that strikes a balance between price and performance. Jebel Jais Flight, a lifetime adventure. Welcome to the Jebel Jais Flight, the world's longest zipline. Located on the UAE's highest mountain in Ras Al Khaimah, this thrilling ride spans an impressive 2.83 kilometers and reaches speeds of up to 150 kilometers per hour. The adventure begins at an altitude of 1,680 meters, where you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the Hajar Mountains. Securely fastened in a Superman harness, you will soar headfirst through the air for up to 3 unforgettable minutes. Safety is a top priority. The zipline is operated by certified professionals who adhere to strict safety standards, ensuring a secure experience for all riders. This exhilarating ride is a must for thrill seekers. Make sure to book your spot in advance and check the weight and height requirements before you go. Experience the adrenaline rush of the Jebel Jais Flight. It's an adventure of a lifetime. Magway. The future of goods transportation. Introducing Magway, a UK-based startup that's transforming e-commerce and freight delivery. Magway's innovative system transports goods in pods through 90-centimeter wide pipes, both underground and above ground. This unique approach aims to reduce road congestion and air pollution. Using proprietary linear motor technology, the pods are propelled smoothly along tracks. This provides a sustainable and efficient way to move goods, with zero emissions. Magway's network of pipelines connects large distribution centers to urban delivery hubs, ensuring fast and reliable transport of goods. Not only does Magway streamline logistics operations, but it also drastically cuts down on congestion and environmental impact. It's a true game changer in the world of goods transportation, offering a greener, more sustainable alternative to traditional delivery methods. Discover how Magway is redefining the future of freight. Segway Mini Pro, the ultimate personal transporter. Introducing the Segway Mini Pro, the sophisticated self-balancing personal transporter from Ninebot. It perfectly combines the iconic Segway design with the functionality of a hoverboard. The Mini Pro is built for a stable and smooth ride. You control it not with your hands, but by shifting your knees. This unique steering method, combined with an adjustable stalk, allows for precision handling. The Mini Pro can reach speeds of up to 10 miles per hour, making it suitable for adults weighing between 85 and 220 pounds. Despite weighing only 28 pounds, the Mini Pro is remarkably portable. It even offers motor-assisted transport when you're not riding, making it easy to move around. Connect the Mini Pro to a mobile app to unlock features like a speedometer and battery meter. However, keep in mind that the Bluetooth connection can sometimes be finicky. Additionally, customer support could use some improvement. For those planning longer journeys, a handlebar attachment is recommended for added comfort. Experience a new level of personal transportation with the Segway Mini Pro. Regent Seaglider. Transforming coastal and island transportation. Introducing the Regent Seaglider, a groundbreaking electric vehicle designed to revolutionize transportation for coastal and island communities. This innovative craft operates as a hybrid between a boat, a hydrofoil, and an aircraft. The Seaglider utilizes wing and ground effect technology to glide just above the water's surface. This unique design allows it to reach speeds of up to 180 miles per hour, making travel fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly. It can cover distances of up to 180 miles on a single charge. After successfully testing a quarter-scale prototype, Regent is preparing for full-size human trials in 2024. The Seaglider's versatile design means it can operate in 3 modes: floating, foiling, and flying. This capability offers smooth transitions between each mode, enhancing the travel experience. Commercial services are expected to begin by 2025, marking the start of a new era in high-speed, low-emission travel. The Regent Seaglider promises to particularly benefit coastal cities and island communities, making transportation more accessible and sustainable. Experience the future of travel with the Regent Seaglider. Segway Bro. The Segway Bro is a groundbreaking electric wheelchair designed for more than just smooth surfaces. What sets it apart is its ability to navigate stairs autonomously. Thanks to its advanced track system, the wheelchair can easily climb curbs, single steps, and straight stairs, making previously challenging environments accessible. Operating on 2 wheels, the Segway Bro moves effortlessly across different terrains. It doesn't require upper body strength to maintain stability, providing a seamless ride. A key feature is its height-adjustable seat, which can rise from 45 centimeters to 87 centimeters. This allows users to interact at eye level in a variety of settings, whether at home or out in public. Safety is a top priority. The Segway Bro is equipped with sensors that detect the edges of stairs, preventing accidents. Additionally, an optional reversing camera provides extra security when backing up. Regular software updates keep the chair smart and running smoothly. With a range of 25 to 35 kilometers on a single charge and a top speed of 10 kilometers per hour, the Segway Bro offers a perfect balance of performance and convenience. It's more than just a wheelchair, it's a tool for independence and mobility. Jyroball Bike. Compact, fully electric and foldable bike. The Jyroball Bike is a unique, fully electric, foldable bike designed for urban commuters and cycling enthusiasts. It offers a practical solution for navigating busy city streets with ease. Whether you're looking for convenience or a sustainable way to travel, this bike provides an option that stands out. There are 2 models of the Jyroball Bike. Model C and Model V. Both models come equipped with a maximum speed of 14 miles per hour, regenerative braking, and handlebars that integrate LED lights for safety and visibility. Riders sit above the front wheel on a comfortable saddle, designed to accommodate individuals up to 6 feet tall and weighing up to 220 pounds. Both models feature a 20-inch front wheel and an 8-inch rear wheel for stability and control. The bike's 313W lithium-ion battery takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge, making it convenient for quick trips around the city. While both models share similar features, they differ in design and materials. Model C is the lighter option, featuring premium color choices and a sleek 2-wheel design. Model V, on the other hand, is built with aluminum and carbon fiber, providing added strength and durability. The Jyroball Bike is a perfect blend of innovation and convenience, offering an eco-friendly solution for urban commuting. Microsoft HoloLens 2. The Microsoft HoloLens 2 introduces a new era of mixed reality technology. It seamlessly blends the physical and digital worlds, bringing holograms into our everyday lives. With its cutting-edge design and advanced features, HoloLens 2 transforms how we interact with information and collaborate. From immersive gaming to high-tech industrial applications, it allows users to visualize, create, and engage with digital content in entirely new ways. Imagine exploring the vast potential of the HoloLens 2 as it reshapes industries, boosts productivity, and inspires creativity. This technology helps people unlock new levels of innovation and efficiency. Experience the future of computing with Microsoft HoloLens 2, where the line between imagination and reality fades away. Join us on this journey to discover how HoloLens 2 is revolutionizing the way we see and experience our world. Pegasus E Flying Car. The Pegasus E Flying Car is a remarkable hybrid electric vehicle that quickly transforms from a road car to a flying machine. In just 3 seconds, it shifts from helicopter mode to road mode. Designed for 1 to 4 passengers, the Pegasus has a sleek, compact structure that fits into standard parking spaces. On the road, it can reach a top speed of 75 miles per hour, with a driving range of 47 miles. Once airborne, it cruises at 81 miles per hour and covers an impressive flying range of 300 miles. It can soar to a maximum altitude of 5,906 feet, making it ideal for short-distance air travel. The Pegasus is made from lightweight carbon fiber composite, enhancing its efficiency and durability. Safety is a priority, with multiple redundant systems built in to ensure a secure ride, whether on the road or in the air. This futuristic vehicle is a game-changer for urban mobility, law enforcement, and emergency services, offering a seamless transition between air and land.